Are you getting it on there, Aria?
Yes.
Remember, you just have to set it on top. Be gentle. Oop. You want some help?
Yes.
Yeah, you set it on there before. It is actually kind of hard to set on. There we go. Do you want to do it, Aria? Turn it on. Whee!
Yeah.
The motor spun it up, and then when you stopped it, it flew off.
Oh, let me see.
Don't press on it. There. There. Oop. Oh, it fell again. Yeah, it's really, you have to look at exactly where those edges are and just set it on top. Oop, I didn't get it either. There we go. That's fun, isn't it, Aria? Can you look where the holes are on the bottom? And then set it right on top. There you go, perfect. Let go. Daddy just got a new toy kit. 600 electronics projects that you can do with a snap-together board.
Let me see now. Daddy, you did.
Yeah. Should we put it on again?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Aria. Turn the switch on.
Ah, yeah.